Is the awesome cleaning product really good? Well, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use to test the awesome cleaning product on this filthy bucket to see if it really works. And let's dive right in. Alright, so this is our filthy, dingy pail bucket that we are going to clean, and we are just going to use a very simple cleaning product, which is awesome. This is awesome. This is amazing cleaning product. It makes your cleaning very simple. I do have other videos that you can watch where I use awesome to clean bent bottom of a pot or dingy back. So this is the awesome. This is what we are going to use. You can use this on any filthy, dirty. It makes your cleaning very, very easy. So we are going to use that. I just pour some into this all-purpose spray bottle, so it'll be easy to spray out quickly. The first thing we are going to do is I am just going to wet this our bucket. You can see all the dinginess there. And then look inside there. That is so filthy. So we just give it a quick wash, just a little to wet it. Now all I have to do is we're just going to spray. Just spray all around. Inside there. Spray the bottom as well as it's all set. And then we spray inside. See how you can see already it's like it's coming right off. But we're just gonna leave it on for a little while, and then we'll just start scrubbing this, and you can see how it just stain is just lifting it right off. Okay, and just let this sit a little bit, and then we'll start using it, and then we'll start scrubbing. You're gonna need a brush. I'm going to use this brush. This is very strong brush, and then it makes your cleaning very fast. And also we're gonna use the gloves as well. To my brush, take a little. All right, and then we'll just start scrubbing. See how clean that looks compared to how it was before. And that's all using Awesome cleaning product. It's amazing. I love all the products. Right now, let's get to this little here. Little angle there. Hard place to get to. These little corners here, those ridges. Now we're just gonna go over it. See how those filthy things, look at all that. Everything. Alright, now we are just going to wash this off. Alright. Look at that. See how much we clean off this? Much better than before. At that, much better. And clean that little all those ridges. Look at how clean they look. Much better. Look at that. That is much cleaner. Look at our inside. Now this is more decent. Now you can see how much filth we've taken off by using Awesome. This is really nice. Now you can really use this without feeling dingy about it. Look at the bottoms and then look at all the edges in there that were so filthy that you couldn't even look at it. Now it's all clean. You can always use more and just go over that. Just spray a little bit more and just take the rest of anything else that is not gone. Just use the brush, go over it. All that. Rinse. You can see now this is more cleaner than anything else, much better than compared to how it looks before. Now you can use this to clean. If you are using this for gardening, you can use this to make mixed paint if you are painting, so you still have a use for this. Now it's much better. You can use it in comfort, knowing that it's not that dingy and you can use it or it's so filthy. So that's what Awesome can do with so many things in your home, anything that you think. So that's it. Hello friends, so I just show you how to clean a filthy, dingy bucket to make it look new again, to make it look much better than the dingy, filthy where you don't want to use it, you don't want to touch it, by just using Awesome. If you haven't used Awesome before, this is an amazing cleaning product. It makes cleaning very easy. It removes any stains, any dirt. Even if you have glue on something, try Awesome on it. It will change the way you clean. It makes cleaning very fast and easy for you. And I've been using this for most of my cleaning, and you can watch other videos of my cleaning videos. You see I'm Awesome in most of them. I've used Awesome for many of my cleaning. So if you have any filthy, dirty buckets or pail buckets or anything, a tote, anything, bent bottom of a pot, anything that is very filthy and you tried everything on it and it wouldn't work, try Awesome and it will change the way you clean. Also, if you want to learn how to clean a dingy bucket naturally with just 2 simple ingredients, watch the next video. Subscribe to this channel so I can bring you more videos like this. If you have any cleaning ideas, any cleaning product ideas that works very well for you, please leave it in the comment section below for me and I will get back to you, and I will very much appreciate that. Also subscribe to this channel so I can bring you more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I will see you on those videos. Stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye.